واليوم الآخر والقدر خيره وشره من الله تعالى والبعث بعد الموت. Translation: I have faith in Allah and His angels in the day of judgment. The day of judgment, and that all good and evil, and faith is from Almighty Allah, and it is sure that there will be resurrection after death. Terjemah: Iman layak Allah